Any income or loss that is made from sale of equity shares is covered under the head capital gains. Income under this head is further classified into long-term capital gains and short-term capital gains based on the holding period of the shares. Holding period takes into account the duration for which the investment is held, beginning from the date of acquisition to the date of sale or transfer. For income tax purposes, the holding periods for listed equity shares and equity mutual funds are different from that of other asset classes. If equity shares listed on a stock exchange are sold within a year of purchase, the seller may make short-term capital gain or incur a short-term capital loss. The seller makes short-term capital gain when shares are sold at a price higher than the purchase price. Short-term capital gains are taxable at 15%. Irrespective of the tax slab the investor falls under. Any short-term capital loss from sale of equity shares can be offset against short-term or long-term capital gain from any capital asset. If the loss is not set off entirely, it can be carried forward for 8 years and adjusted against any short-term or long-term capital gains made during these 8 years. A taxpayer will only be allowed to carry forward losses if he has filed his income tax return within the due date. If equity shares listed on a stock exchange are sold after 12 months of purchase, the seller may make a long-term capital gain or incur a long-term capital loss. Until March 31st, 2018, long-term capital gain made on the sale of equity shares or equity-oriented units of mutual funds was exempt from tax. But the rules changed from April 1st, 2018. Now, if a seller makes a long-term capital gain of more than 1 lakh rupees on the sale of equity shares or equity-oriented units of a mutual fund, the gain made will attract a long-term capital gains tax of 10% plus applicable cess. Also, the benefit of indexation will not be available to the seller. Any long-term capital loss from a transfer made on or after 1st April 2018 will be allowed to be set off and carried forward according to the existing provisions of the Income Tax Act. So, the long-term capital loss can be set off against any other long-term capital gain. Such loss can also be carried forward for subsequent 8 years.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
सब अच्छी दिख रही हैं यार, कौन सी खरीदूं?
ये तो वही बात हुई, 4000 शेयर्स लिस्टेड है, कौन सा लूं?
वो तो सबसे आसान है।
तुझे 5 पैसा नहीं पता?
अब तो सबको पता है। 5 पैसा पर है 4000 स्टॉक्स की रिसर्च, टेक्निकल टूल्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज। डाउनलोड 5 पैसा नाउ।
अब तो सबको पता है, investing made easy and rewarding with 5 paisa. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.